Hi, Desiree here at Love That Door in our Frisco showroom, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. One of the questions that we see frequently asked is, what kind of paint do you use on iron doors? First, let me just start with saying there is not a maintenance-free option, which is something that was being searched. There is not a maintenance-free option for any door, whether it's a wooden door, an iron door, or any door in particular, because everything ages over time, especially depending on its sun exposure and weathering. So let's just get that out of the way. Typically on a steel or iron door, you're going to find a powder-coated paint. Sometimes you will see an epoxy paint, and other times you might come across some form of UV protection, which we use a clear coat on top of our paint. Our doors are zinc coated, so they go through a couple of layers of zinc coating at its core. Then it gets painted with 2 to 3 coats of paint, and then it gets the clear coat, 2 to 3 coats of a clear coated paint. Here at Love That Door, we offer a 10-year warranty on all of our finishes, which is fantastic because that really helps us ensure your product is going to be beautiful for as long as you have it. If you have any other questions, check us out at lovethatdoor.com. There you'll find our blog and other great resources to answer some of your questions.